Is iTagPro really the breakthrough GPS tracker it claims to be, or is it just another overpriced gadget built on hype? That's what I wanted to find out. Because when a product promises so much real-time GPS tracking, anti-theft alerts, geofencing, water and dust resistance, and a 6-month replaceable battery, you expect something solid. On the surface, iTagPro seems impressive. The marketing is flashy, filled with promises of military-grade reliability and next-gen tracking accuracy. But once you scratch beneath the surface, the cracks begin to show. First off, the product boasts several so-called awards on its website. But a little research reveals these accolades are either unverifiable or entirely made up. There's no official record or credible source backing them. Then there's the aggressive sales strategy. Pop-ups claiming only 2 left in stock. Countdown timers to trigger urgency and constant limited-time deals that never actually expire. It all feels engineered to push people into impulse buying. And let's talk about the price. iTagPro is being sold at a steep markup compared to similar GPS trackers available from reputable tech brands. For something advertised as revolutionary, the build quality and actual performance don't quite justify the cost. Reviews on their site appear overwhelmingly positive, but when you look elsewhere, the tone shifts. Independent reviewers and actual users mention inconsistent tracking, delayed alerts, and poor customer service. Some even suspect the celebrity endorsements featured on their site are completely fake or AI-generated. That's a big red flag. So is iTagPro a total scam? Not exactly. It does work to a certain extent and the features exist, but they're nowhere near as flawless or reliable as claimed. In the end, it feels more like a product wrapped in slick marketing than genuine innovation. It's not the worst tech out there, but it's definitely not something I'd rush to recommend. Proceed with caution and don't let the shiny ads fool you.